What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again, coming at you with another video. I got a really good one here for y'all. It's this item from ProClip USA. It's a little phone mount for your car, so when you're traveling, a really good product. Let's go ahead and install it into the car. I put linked in the description if you're interested in buying one like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy the video. Go follow all my social medias. Links will be down in the description below as well. But let's go ahead and get right into the install. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead, get into the car, and I'm gonna close the door, that way it's not having that ringing bell sound. But basically what we're gonna do is, I was talking about here, the clip's gonna go right here with the mount, right on this part where the passenger, would hold on to in case they get scared. So it's gonna go right here, but basically all you're gonna need is a screwdriver, not a flathead, but just a regular one like you see here in the video, and your supplied mounting hardware right here. As you can see, this is going to go right here on the side, so that way it's going to look like that, and then this piece will go bolted in right on it like that, and then you're able to swivel. As you can see on the back, there's a part right there, you'll be able to swivel so you can adjust it. These two screws that are right here on the top and bottom, that's going to open up the clamps right here to allow you for your phone to fit in. So my phone is a Note 10 Plus, and again, I've already adjusted the two screws right here, these two. I've adjusted it to where it should just fit perfectly in there, and if you see, it'll fit perfectly in the slot there, and you can do that just so you can be able to get your phone in there perfect, like so. Now the middle one here, that middle screw in there is going to allow you to be able to adjust the tilt and the angle back here on this piece, okay? This part is going to go right behind, then you'll feel it, there's a seam right behind here, okay? And then this part on this is going to go right in between on this exact piece right there. So if you can try to find that piece and the seam, it's going to go right in between. Just like that. Just takes a little bit of muscle, but you'll feel it, and it's going to go right on just like so. All right, now the kit does come with 4 little screws, so that way you can put the backing onto the mount here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so once the 4 screws are in here, holding that mount in, let's go ahead, we'll get back in with this. So this piece will go in here, and the little gasket with the screw will go through that like so. And then once that's in there, go ahead and hold it up like this. You can screw in this piece here just a little bit, and then take your mount, go ahead, twist this like that, so that way you can put this up like there. Go ahead and take your screw, line it up, Alright guys, well, I think that's pretty much it there. You can kind of see, I mean, the mount is on there. There's the mount connected there. It's on there pretty good. Look, I'm shaking it. This is all set up here as far as holding the phone in there, and then the phone, once it's slid in there like that, I mean, it's in there. I mean, it might shake a little bit with, you know, with the road and with bumps and stuff, but I mean, that's pretty much it like that, facing you. So it looks pretty good like that. All right, guys, well, that was pretty much the video right there. I just wanted to show you all a clip just going over the, you know, the install. But I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content. More videos will be coming up on the channel, so don't forget to watch those. All right, guys, until the next video, y'all have a great day. See ya later.